Three things that happen when God is getting ready to elevate you. And this is the one thing that nobody wants to talk about, that it begins to hurt before it actually feels good. Number one is isolation. God begins to isolate you from everybody, and the people that you thought would clap for you suddenly go silent. Friends stop calling, family doesn't get it, and it's not punishment. It's actually your setup. What's happening is God is removing the noise so that you can actually hear him. Sometimes we have to get to our lowest low so that we have a heart that's positioned to be able to hear him. When I got to my lowest low, I could hear him clearly, and the noise of the world was drowned out because I was desperate for answers. And now I was in a position to actually hear him correctly. Number two, everything starts falling apart, literally. The job, the friends, the comfort zone. It feels like the rug is being snatched out from up under you. But one thing I've noticed about God is he doesn't break what's actually working. He demolishes the very thing that's holding you back. So what you thought was a setback is really your setup. God knows the end from the beginning and everything in between. We're here walking out what we think is going to happen when he already has the answers. We need to listen when he's speaking. And when he's removing people, listen. And now that you've been through the isolation, now that everything fell apart, girl, you're ready for that elevation. Then opportunities begin to show up that scares you. Doors begin to open that you never felt ready for. You'll find yourself in rooms that your feet will take you that you're not even qualified for. But God doesn't call the qualified. He calls the ones that he's prepared, the ones that everybody else counts out, the ones that people talked about, tried to break down. Bottom line, he calls the misfits. He calls the ones that have the imperfections. He calls the ones that don't have it all together. He calls the very ones that are willing to be molded and shaped to his image so that they can reflect him properly. You see, an elevation is never cozy. It stretches you. It literally demands a new version of you. So if you're in a season where you feel like you're losing stability, you're losing your mind, you're losing people, congratulations. You're not being buried, you're being planted. And you're getting ready to rise as a version of you and be elevated to heights that you never could have imagined. Sit back and watch the show play before your eyes. And if this message blessed you, share it with the first person that comes to your mind. You never know what it can do for them.